Well, it finally happened. The Federal Reserve enacted its first rate cut since December of last year. After following its two-day policy meeting held this week, they have elected to reduce the federal funds rate by 25 basis points or 0.25%. I know, we were hoping for more, right? The federal funds rate is kind of a central benchmark that influences all borrowing costs in the U.S. economy. Everything from business loans, personal loans, auto loans, etc., including household mortgages. The vote by the central bank's FOMC, or Federal Open Market Committee, was almost unanimous. The only dissent was made by Mr. Stephen Moran. This was his first FOMC meeting as a committee member since becoming a governor on Monday. Mr. Moran called for a 0.5 percentage point rate cut. We can always hope, right? During today's rate cut announcement, the federal chairman noted, and I quote, "The growth of the economic activity moderated in the first half of the year, while the job gains have slowed and the unemployment rate has edged up but remains low. While the Fed has repeatedly sought to drive inflation down to 2%, the rate news announcement noted inflation has moved up and remains somewhat elevated. The Fed also noted it will continue reducing its holdings of Treasury securities, agency debt, and agency mortgage-backed securities." I can honestly say that this year and last has been challenging for buyers, sellers, and agents alike. With today's move by the Feds on rates, there is hope that we will continue to see a decline in consumer rates for lending in housing, automotive, as well as other lines of credit. Earlier this week, I read an article that indicated mortgage rates are now at their lowest point in almost 3 years. And that's great news. Hi, I'm Ted Shoup, a seasoned realtor with over 25 years of experience assisting home buyers and sellers with their real estate needs. If you were a home buyer or seller that wanted to buy or sell, but didn't take action this past year, leave me a comment below and let me know what the biggest challenge was for you that hindered your ability to make a move. If you have questions about your plans, you can also message me through my website at mybeachandbayhomes.com. Until the next time, P.S. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you'll be alerted when my next video drops. Have a great week.